Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Alexa. Today I'll be making a really delicious Chinese fried rice dish. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's start. So first I need to boil some rice. Okay, so I have some in the pot now. And now I can put this on the stove. Now I'm just gonna leave that there for a while. Okay, I think time's up and I can take it out now. So there's our rice. Now I'm going to put some orange color in it. Now I just have to mix that. You can just go on and mix that. I think that's about it. Now that I'm done that, I'm going to add in some tomatoes and onions to add some flavor to it. Okay, so here's the tomato. They're all done. Now I'm going to move this into a plate and I can cut my onion. There we go. On to the next item. There we go, all done. Now I'll move this into a plate as well. There we go. Now I'll put the onions and tomatoes into the rice for some flavor. Okay, now I'll put the onions in. And now I'll put the tomatoes in. There we go. Now I'll mix it. I'm just gonna start mixing it from the side where it has the most. Okay, I think it's all mixed inside now. Okay, that looks good. Now for the top, I'm going to add in some carrots, onions, and some green chili. First I have to cut that. All of my vegetables are in there. I'm going to cut all three of them together so that it's a bit faster. Okay, all done. Now I can put this in the rice. There we go. Now I can put it into the pot. There we go. Now I'll just have to mix it. Just keep mixing until it goes into the middle as well, and then it looks nice. That looks about right. Now I'm just gonna let that set for a bit, and then I can pour it out. Well, put it in a plate. There we go. I think it's about done now, and I can take it out. There we go. Okay, I think that's all. And now I can take a bite out of it. I think I should put in a bit spices first to make it, tasty. So I'm going to take some spices from here and put that in and then mix it again. Some of this, a bit of that, a little bit of that, and some of that. Now mix that, and some of that, some vinegar. Now mix that. Finally, some salt and some pepper. Now mix that all properly. Now I can taste this. I'm going to take some out in the plate. There we go. That tastes so good. Well, I know this is going to be my dinner for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.